Once again, I want to welcome you to the program Know Yourself. This is a channel that we have designed to help all of us build our relationship. This series is meant for those of us who are in relationship or who are married. We're looking at women, and today we're bringing you the second part of qualities of a good wife. I want to continue by saying that listen. Communication is about listening to. It is not just about telling your husband your problems all the time. And so, as a wife, make sure that you have created the enabling environment for your husband to also come to you when he also has problems on his head. So, have that listening attitude as well. The second quality to consider is that you need to be respectful. I hope you have never forgotten the 4 qualities that we said every man needs. Every man needs to be respected. And so mutual respect is something that is very important in any relationship. For you to earn your husband's respect, you need to show respect to him as well. This reflects in the way you speak and behave with him. You don't need to belittle, humiliate, or if you like, you harm him in any way. Try, and then whether you are in public or in private, don't try to put your husband down. Be respectful to him. Show him respect. And by doing so, he will be attracted to you. Speaking without thinking may make you say things you regret later. And so try and not forget. The next thing is that you need to keep him happy in bed. It is something that is very crucial. Every marriage requires sexual intimacy. You cannot just be married and then this one sleeps here and that one sleeps here. Of course, sexual intimacy is very, very important. Making your husband happy in bed will make him want to keep you happy too in life. If you do not, he might look for gratification elsewhere. In fact, research has found that men cheat the most for physical reasons, while women do it for emotional reasons. Keep things exciting and new in the bedroom, and you would have a husband who also stays true to you and would never wander. Indeed, be interested in his interests as well. Sharing interests is a great way to spend time with your husband. Pick a few of his interests which could be of interest to you as well. This way, you both can spend time enjoying activities together. He's sure to appreciate whatever you do, and then make sure that you also appreciate whatever he does. Very, very important. Then again, as we give you the tips of being a good or qualities of a good wife, I also want to share with you that you need to show your appreciation. I hope you've never forgotten that one scholar by name William James once said that every human being born of a woman needs to be appreciated, and therefore find ways and means to show appreciation. Yes, it is good that your husband is the one who takes care of the home, who provides, put food on the table, but have you ever taken time to appreciate what he does? Make sure to urge him. In fact, if you do it, it will urge him to do more. So find ways and means to appreciate the little things that he does in the home, by taking care of the home, by living up to his responsibilities, and that will help in the relationship. Indeed, as we end our series on qualities of a good wife, I want to share with you that being a good wife is not hard, especially when you know what your husband needs. Support, stability, kindness, and love are some of the things that you need to give him as his wife. You can be the best wife by being there for him in his success and then failures. Thank you so much once again for your time. In our subsequent bulletins, we would then flip to the men's side to bring you how to become a good husband. Now we are through with the women. As I have already said, try and subscribe. When you subscribe, share so others can get content from us. Bye bye.